So in this video, we're going to continue our upload project in Django. So the project was about uploading images to our website and also adding it to the main page. Now to continue, don't forget to save your settings.py, and now we will head over to our admin.py inside of our app folder, which is here, images app folder. So admin.py, and here we're going to import our models. So from .models, we're going to import posts. Yes, right, posts. So, and here we're going to write admin dot site dot register, and here we're going to register our posts inside of our admin panel. And the reason we do this is to be able to do what we want to do first inside of our admin panel, and then we will create our templates. So before creating our templates, we can make migrations, migrate, and then run server, and then switch to our admin panel, and then we will see what we can do. So first of all, let's run python manage.py, and the first thing we're going to do is to make migrations. Oh, we seem to have an error. Okay, this is because we haven't installed the pillow. So we need to install this. So we can run pip3 install pillow. And now it's been successfully installed. So now what we're going to do is to make migrations. So there seems to be another problem right here. So what is it all about? So now I managed to solve this, and we needed to remove this leading slash here. So I removed it. I removed this backslash, and it worked for me. I made the migrations, and if I do it again, you will see that no changes detected. So now we can migrate our project. So python manage.py migrate, and there we go, it's been successful. So the next thing we're going to do before running the server is to run python manage.py create super user, and now we should enter our username. So my username is Mohammed, so I'm going to keep it just as it is. You can enter an arbitrary email, but sometimes it's better to write an actual email, but right now I don't need that, so I will write an arbitrary email. So next thing I'm going to do is to set the password for it and repeat the password, and the super user is created successfully. So now let's run our server. Python manage.py run server. Oh, just we need a space between them. So python manage.py run server. So as you can see, it's running here. So if we head over to it, we'll see these rockets right over here. And because we haven't developed our templates and URLs and views, we have something like this. So let's switch to our admin panel. So let me enter my username and password. Let's log in, and as you can see, we just not only have groups and users, just as you learned in our previous tutorials where we had only the groups and the users. Right now we have our images app name, which is related to our app name, and here we have posts. Oh, it's why is it with the double S? So let me check my admin.py. Here we have posts, and here we also have posts. So not sure why that happened, but let's get back to here, to our posts. And probably it's because we have one S, so it added another S by itself. So anyway, let's add data to it. So as you can see, our form, the built-in form of Django has been created right over here, and we have the title, a form for a box or form for our title. So here I can enter, for example, we can upload our team logo, which is Arashtad. So I'm going to upload it over here. So there we go. And now I'm going to write, this is the logo of Arashtad. So there we go. So let's save this. There seems to be a problem right over here. Let's see what happens. What happened there? Something else to add is that we need the forward slash, not the backslash over here. So let me just stop the project, save the models.py, stop the project, and now let us try one more time. Now we have everything ready. Let's save this. Again, we have this problem. So now it's just a silly problem, and so here we need to only return. So if I save this, also notice that we have this over here. So let me delete this photo, and now let's rerun our project and see what happens. Now I'm going to get into admin page, and here we're going to add our writing another time Arashtad logo, and now here we're going to choose a file again and select it, save it, and as you can see, it's been created in this list. So once we click on this, we will be able to delete it or change it. So that's all about the admin panel. So now let's get back to our project and complete it. So even and if you look at here, you will see that in the media folder, instead of the image folder, you have this image, right? It is just the same as what we have uploaded in our admin panel. So we're going to create the same kind of form for uploading images inside of our website. So we're going to continue or following of our project, we're going to do that. Before I continue with the rest of the project, let me add another image and check this panel completely and check our application without the views and URLs and templates. Let's see how it will look like to work with our panel and add another image. So let's choose another file and get back to our desktop. This is the logo of Python. So I'm gonna select this. This is Python logo. So I'm gonna save this, and as you can see, we have two logos, and you can add as many photos as you like with its title. So that's generally it for this part of the tutorial. We've learned how to create our models and how to add it to our admin panel. So the only thing we need to do is to return, use the str method inside of our classes and return the title of the image. And then also in our admin panel, we need to register our models. So in the next part, we're going to continue URLs, views, and create templates, and show these photos on our website, also show the forms related to uploading the photos.